Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Bro bar to go. Medium ebony and such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, chicken dinner. Actually, I do not know where this one come from, and it is a winner unboxing, but I kind of forgot where I got it. Maybe some website, maybe some anyway. And I think they say there are a lot of places that give out this kind of free stuff. I appreciate, but I forgot where I got it. Anyway, this one is a Gerard Cosmetic. Seems they are pretty generous. Ooh, Bro Bar to go, medium to ebony, Mika Ami. Oh, it's too small, I cannot read. Oh, I love it. It's long enough and have a little brush here. Oh, that I love, because it's very handy, and also you can use this to see yourself, to see the eyes. Oh, let me do it. Yeah. And only thing that, what is this? You can see this is like it's like a paste or something. This is not too dark. This is not too dark. Let me try. Oh my. It's actually quite good to use this brush. Oh my. Let me try it. Is this supposed to use this way? Okay, I will show you if I do it there. How about I do it here? See? It's supposed to be used this way. Something like it. Okay, let's do it on a piece of paper. What is this for? This is for getting the color. I think this condenses the color, consolidates the color. So strong, the sound. Tomorrow I maybe try this a little bit. Kind of fun, right? Doesn't hurt. Maybe I can use it as. Anyway, That is it. That is it. I'm sorry for the noise, but family is family, and family life is fun, and you can see how lucky I am. My family take care of cleaning the kitchen, wash the dish, and I am very lucky. I am super duper lucky. Yeah, do not have much talent and ability, and just have luck. I am just lucky. Okay, now we will do another unboxing, which is a loser unboxing. This is a winner chicken dinner. This is a winner unboxing, and I also bought something myself. Let's take a look now. Okay, so I went to the restroom and got this one. So I bought this one, and I have another. Another bag, which is a travel bag, and how do I say it? Travel bag and swimming pool bag. This one I put it at home, and sometimes I go to swimming pool. I have another bag so that I need 2 sets. You get the idea, right? You always have something so that you do not need to switch all the time. And one is at home, use at home. One is in the bag. You do not need to look for this, look for that. So I have this one, and in the swimming bag, there is one is already broken, not this brand. Some other things. So these parts are always easy to get broken. So I bought a new one yesterday because I found new. This is a new one, and almost exactly the same. Walking on eggshell. Look at it. It's almost exactly the same thing. And I like it, so I'm happy to buy a new one. They have something purple color, but that's not my thing. I just like this particular color, so I got it. How do I open it? Maybe you can. Yes. You can open it right here. Yes, that's good. And it cost something like $3.49, or it's very inexpensive. And I got it at Target. I'm a teacher. From time to time I get Target gift cards. So, like it. Oh, we have the little brush. We can give it a try. Need to open it up again. Again, and again. They are all quite tight. I like it. And this is for eye, but just so that you can see the color of it. Oh, this does not have much color, right? This and this one should be the color one. This is the shimmering, glittering one. This is for eyes, not so much for the eyebrow. Oh, look at it. So tomorrow we will do this one I will put to the swimming pool one, and tomorrow we will do a makeup. Let's see. Can you see it? Drag down a little bit. Oh, look at it. This is matte, shimmering, pink shimmering, shimmering. It is these little things makes me happy every day. That I can afford to buy something to make my life easy and convenient. I feel very blessed, actually. I feel very lucky. And when I was young, I did not have money to buy it, or we were not in the spirit of using that. And now, at such an old, and now at such a ripe age, I feel that we are lucky in living in nowadays. We can decide a lot of things, and we can decide that we can still do makeup, and yeah, I just feel it's a blessing. It is. This one is white shimmering. This one is pink shimmering, and the matte. Yeah, tomorrow I got to try it. I just feel I'm very lucky. We can choose to live the life we want to live. Look at this very shiny brush. Looks so sleek and sharp and tiny and good. This makes me happy. That's about it. And this one I am using the old microphone, and I'm very, very close to it. I think it gets the sound pretty good. And I am improving my sound quality. Sometimes I'm thinking maybe I should have a little bit more serious about the sound. I mean, make the sound more relaxed and do it a little bit better. And not saying that make it a professional, like uptight. No, not that. But make the sounds quite relaxed is my goal. And speak more relaxed. And I am not trying to speak relaxed because this is late at night. For some people this is a sleeping time. For me, I would prefer not sleeping yet, and I am a little bit in this half awake, half sleep mode, and I think it's good. Some friends that this time the sound is good. It more relaxed, which is true. I am kind of more relaxed, and this could be the best time for doing voiceover of Greek mythology, of the stories. Today we did Chinese painting. My hand is quite dirty. Chinese black ink. And what do I say? I am reading some book now and get interested in this Greek mythology, thinking about Chinese and English both. Yeah, I will just murmur, 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 like that. And this voice-over thing is really interesting. So yesterday I went out and to the wild, to the water, the bay edge, and some beautiful scene. Are so nice. Open air, open. The scene is just makes me feel so open, so cleansing, and 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 I took some with my gimbal, took some video of it. And, just very good. Okay, I will not waste your time, neither my time, and I will say bye bye to you. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.